So we have finished our Age of Exploration unit for social studies. So I think the next about 3 lessons, let's do some writing to see if we can get this, our personal narrative, work close to being finished, okay? So what you're going to do is we're going to work today on slide 10. So I want you to go to your personal narrative notebook, and you should see that right under today's date, or the date for the week, personal narrative notebook. And I've already got mine pulled up, and we're on slide 10. So today we're going to work on juicy words. I'm sorry if you hear any screaming in the background. My kids are playing their video games. So sorry about that. So we're going to work on making our words more interesting. Words more interesting. So my first example is I had a bad day. The word bad is underlined. I want you to think about some different words that you may use instead of the word bad, like horrible is one example. Okay. The next one is, can we go to the park? She asked. I want you to think about some things that you can say instead of ask. Maybe begged. I walked up the stairs. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what this is happening here. Walked. So instead of the word walked, I could say raced. I raced up the stairs. So I want you to give me 3 more examples of bad, a different word besides bad, a different word besides ask, and a different word besides walked. Okay? And then I want you to go back into your Google Classroom, and you are going to go back to your drafting, and I want you to add those juicy words, okay? I'm going to put my drafting up here, and you're going to add those juicy words, okay? All right, and that's all for that activity. Let me know if you have any questions.